In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a layer mask in Photopea. Start by opening your Photopea project and make sure the image or element you want to apply the layer mask to is already imported into your canvas. For example, you might have an image placed on the canvas that you want to hide or reveal certain parts of without permanently deleting anything. Before adding a layer mask, make sure the correct image layer is selected in the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. Once the layer is selected, look at the bottom of the Layers panel where you will see a small icon shaped like a rectangle with a circle in the center. This icon represents the layer mask option. Click on it, and a white mask thumbnail will appear next to your image layer, indicating that a layer mask has been added. To start using the layer mask, select the brush tool from the toolbar on the left side of your screen. At the bottom of the toolbar, you will see the black and white color swatches. When black is selected, any area you paint over on the mask will become transparent, hiding that part of the image. This allows you to remove unwanted areas without permanently deleting them. If you want to bring back any hidden part of the image, switch the brush color from black to white by clicking on the small arrow near the color swatches. Painting with white on the mask will reveal the hidden areas again. This non-destructive workflow makes it easy to refine your edits and adjust them at any time. By switching between black and white and carefully brushing over the mask, you can precisely control which parts of your image are visible and which are hidden. This method is commonly used for clean edits, object isolation, and smooth transitions. And this is how you can add a layer mask in Photopea.